Custom copper chimney caps. Adding a personal touch to your home. Copper chimney caps are a popular choice among homeowners who want to combine functionality with style. These caps serve several essential purposes, such as preventing water, debris, and animals from entering the chimney, while also improving draft efficiency. Unlike standard chimney caps, custom copper designs offer an added layer of personalization, allowing homeowners to choose specific styles, sizes, and features that complement their home's architecture. Durability and longevity. Copper is known for its exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion. Aesthetic appeal. One of the most significant advantages of copper chimney caps is their aesthetic appeal. Functionality. Copper chimney caps are designed to improve the efficiency of your chimney by preventing downdrafts and improving ventilation. Custom caps are tailored to your chimney's exact dimensions, providing optimal protection and a seamless appearance. Harmonizing with architecture. Custom copper chimney caps can be designed to harmonize with your home's existing architectural features. If you're looking to elevate your home's exterior with a custom copper chimney cap, contact Master Services Chimney and Masonry. Our team is ready to help customers in Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, Oklahoma City, and nearby cities achieve the perfect look for their homes.